Welcome to the channel, bros. Today we're taking a trip to the land of the rising sun, Japan. Japan is absolutely insane, and I'm not just talking about the crazy good video games. Get ready to have your mind blown by giant robots, delicious food that's basically an art form, and cherry blossoms so beautiful they'll make you cry. So buckle up, smash that like button, and let's dive into the wonders of Japan. First up, let's talk about the good stuff. Japanese food. We're not just talking about your average California roll, people. We're talking about the freshest sushi you've ever seen, steaming bowls of ramen that will warm your soul, and tempura so crispy, it'll make you want to slap your mama. Every dish is like a work of art, meticulously prepared and presented. Seriously, they care about the way your food looks as much as how it tastes. So, if you're a foodie, Japan is basically your own personal heaven. Alright bros, get ready for peak aesthetic because it's time to talk about cherry blossoms. These delicate pink flowers are everywhere in Japan during the spring, and they are a big deal. We're talking festivals, picnics under the trees, and enough Instagram photos to last a lifetime. It's like nature's way of saying YOLO! Okay, let's be real, you can't talk about Japan without talking about technology. These guys are living in the future. Robots? They've got them. Crazy fast internet? Please, that's child's play. We're talking about toilets that warm your butt and sing you a song. Japan is on another level when it comes to innovation, and it's seriously impressive. So if you're a tech geek, Japan is basically a giant playground. But Japan isn't all about the future. They also respect the heck out of their traditions. We're talking ancient temples, beautiful kimonos, and tea ceremonies that are so precise, they'll make your head spin. And let's not forget about sumo wrestling. It's like watching two giant marshmallows battle it out, and it's way more entertaining than it sounds. So if you're looking for a taste of authentic Japanese culture, you won't have to look very hard. Okay, let's talk about getting around. Forget your car, forget your bike. In Japan, you take the train. And not just any train, the Shinkansen, aka the bullet train. This thing is so fast it'll make your head spin. But it's not just about speed. The public transportation system in Japan is crazy efficient and clean. It's basically public transportation utopia. So ditch the rental car and embrace the wonderful world of Japanese trains. One of the first things you'll notice about Japan is how clean everything is. People in Japan actually take pride in keeping their country clean, which is pretty awesome. And speaking of awesome, Japan is also incredibly safe. You can walk around at night without worrying about getting mugged, and the crime rate is super low. Just don't be surprised if you see people leaving their phones and wallets unattended in cafes. Now let's talk about the language barrier. Japanese is a notoriously difficult language to learn, but don't let that scare you. Most people in tourist areas speak at least a little bit of English, and there are signs everywhere. Plus, learning a few basic phrases will go a long way. Just remember to be polite and smile, and you'll be fine. Japan loves a good festival, and they've got a ton of them. From the vibrant Obon Festival, where they celebrate their ancestors, to the romantic Tanabata Festival, where they write wishes on colorful paper strips, there's always something going on. So if you want to experience Japanese culture at its finest, make sure to check out a few festivals while you're there. Okay, let's talk about the natural beauty of Japan. This country has it all. Towering mountains, lush forests, pristine beaches, and even steaming hot springs. You can hike to the top of Mount Fuji, explore the bamboo forests of Arashiyama, or relax on the beaches of Okinawa. Finally, let's talk about etiquette. Japan has a very specific set of customs and manners, and it's important to be respectful of them. For example, you should always bow when greeting someone, and you should never wear shoes inside. Also, blowing your nose in public is considered rude, so if you have to do it, try to be discreet. Just try your best and be respectful, and you'll be golden. And there you have it, bros. 10 things you should know about Japan. From the delicious food to the stunning scenery and the fascinating culture, Japan is a country that will absolutely blow your mind. So what are you waiting for? Book that trip, pack your bags, and get ready for the adventure of a lifetime. Thanks for watching, bros. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more epic travel content.